If you need to reopen a closed Revolut account, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have your personal information ready before starting. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. If you have uninstalled it, download it again from your App Store and log in with your credentials. Step 2. Access customer support. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Help section within the app. This is usually found in the Profile or Settings menu. Look for the option to contact customer support. Step 3. Explain your situation. In the customer support chat, clearly explain that you wish to reopen your closed account. Provide any necessary details, such as your full name, email address, and the reason for reopening your account. Step 4. Follow instructions. Before starting recovery, use the srec.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your request, wait for confirmation from Revolut. This may take some time, so be patient. Once your account is reopened, you will receive a notification, and you can start using your account again. In conclusion, reopening a closed Revolut account is a straightforward process if you follow these steps and communicate effectively with customer support.